garbage bags. Or Anna.
Bye, Roland.
Well, that was Amy's thing. She was going to grab those. Huh?
Woo! Woo! Hi, there's another one in there. Yeah. Where you at, Roland? Where you at, Roland? Hi. Woo! Where'd you go? Bye-bye? Roland, did you go for a ride? Did you go for a ride? She said, ain't moving. Bye-bye.
Wave.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
She does say bye.
Yeah.
You want to push her around? He's slow, though. Be careful. Well, not that slow, Grandma.
Where you guys at? Hi. Hi. Woo.
Wait, I want to show you guys something. I got this.
Oh yeah, you do.
It's called a dimple.
Yeah.
My family likes playing with it. My Roland does too. Is that cool? Hold on.
Ooh. She wants to go for a ride. Bye.